creeping up on me. This frostbite gets deep into my bloodstream. Just trying to make the most. Baby, you make me a whole lot better. A whole lot better. A whole lot better.
What's up, guys?
Hi guys.
We're back again. This is 𝗹𝗶𝗃 and Esther.
Yep.
Boom, 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 boom. So is today vlog or
It's a vlog.
is it a vlog? Okay, it's a vlog. I don't know why she's not happy. Why she's not looking happy today? She's
happy,
hungry.
I'm
She's actually hungry.
hungry.
That's why. But we've eaten breakfast now.
I know.
Okay.
It's
So-
lunchtime.
But this is not lunchtime.
Even though.
Okay, guys, don't let us give you our family drama. So guys, today is a vlog. We are going to a safari park
Yep.
close to our house. Funny enough, we have a safari park close to us and we've never been there. So today, guys, we said we would try to go to the park and see what it's like. So we hope you guys enjoy it. We want to see.
Yeah, I hope it's fun.
She doesn't look happy.
Baby, I am.
Okay, okay, I'll throw you to the lions.
Really? I pity you. Oh, cook for you. Eh.
Okay, I'll keep it with me. Okay, guys, so come along with us. We hope you guys enjoy. Peace out.
Let's go enjoy.
It doesn't even make
So we
sense.
went up first.
Should we use this one?
Somebody is there already.
Where?
Oh, you're cleaning
It's
it.
cleaning it now.
Time when it's not my style to be caught up in the middle.
So make the videos.
It's not a dream about you. I was probably too drunk.
So guys, now we're inside, so and we want to rent a car.
Yeah.
We want to rent a car, so we've gotten the feeds, the animal feeds. Gotten the animal feeds, so now I want to rent a car. We just hope it goes well, bro. Just keeping our fingers crossed.
What do you always say? You just say,
Yeah, you're dealing with lions, yeah. I hope it goes well.
Rather we try than let these feelings slip. So I'm gonna
You're driving, oh.
okay.
dive into you.
Guess who's driving today?
Hungry driver. I'll drive us into the lion's den. Baby.
Make I wine up. Door, lock.
No sit or just wait.
You can just eat now. Every car has a seat just now. Yeah, okay, so we're giving it an English map, I know, which was really helpful, and it really helped my driver here to be able to navigate through. Yeah, and now we've kickstarted our journey. So first is the White Lion section. I don't know if it's the White Lion section. First we'll have to see the White Lion, and then after that we'll go to normal lion. Should I say normal lion? I don't know. But first is the White Lion. Yeah, as you guys can see, that's the White Lion there. So we're told not to slow down, just drive slowly and just drive fast, because we don't want them to attack us, obviously. So that's it. So that's the White Lion there, and I think they're kind of sleepy and busy. And after that is the other lion that we saw. Yes. So if you guys can look closely, this is the lions there. These are the lions. They're just chilling, getting sunlight, resting. And I told my wife, because I was really scared, so I told my wife to just drive fast. And I couldn't put my camera close to this. Next is the giraffe. As you guys can see, these things are huge, tall. I was freaking out when I saw the height of this giraffe. In real life, I've only seen them in videos, in movies and pictures, but to see one in real life is just mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. Yeah, so we're trying to feed them. I was scared. I was terrified. Like, don't want to get there. slimy spit around my hands. I was just trying to push everything down the window. It's funny. I don't know. I think this one is kind of selfish, just staying there and eating everything all to himself. I'm just leaving the other one hanging. So we didn't want to waste all our feet on just the giraffe, so we had to move on.
Look at them on my side. Hi.
Wind down small.
No, I'm not giving. You said that you don't want my hands to.
Yeah. On dirait tout le temps. Baba, oh yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, let's go. I'm done. Zebra.
Hi, zebra.
Take. Save the video.
Oh, when feeding the zebra, show the food.
Yeah, I told you now. Wait. Yeah, go. Speed.
Yes, now. Well, what's this one? Yeah, food for them. Were you able to spot?
So, there's someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy, but maybe I should know.
The Japanese deer live here with the 𝗲𝗴 and the red deer. Deer's homeland is around the Anatolia Peninsula, which is located from southern. They have white bodies like a goat, and their special feature is their horns, which spread out widely like a hand. And the one with the bigger body is the red deer. Red deer are from Western Europe, Northwest Africa, and Northern China.
Don't talk from that boat for
Do you realize that there is a big difference between a deer's horn and a cow's horn? Our horns regrow every year, but a cow's horn never regrows, so it grows just a little bit longer every year. Have any. Until our horns grow, they are wrapped in soft skin, which brings nutrition to the horns.
Yeah, go.
The horns. For some reason, the first year the horn doesn't have any branches. But the second year there will be one branch. And the third year there will be another branch. So you can tell how old the deer is by the number of branches it has. Maybe
I just threw one on the floor. Jesus.
this bit touch right? Sorry.
humans from their wrinkles.
Oh, jet.
We
let's be careful. Have you made this thing?
No.
Shoot, let me do.
I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side.
I'm a bovine that lives in forests and grasslands from the United States to Canada, and currently designated as a national beast representing the United States. It features a large head and raised shoulder muscles that support it, and males can weigh up to over 1 ton. Its thick fur has a high heat insulating effect, and it is okay even if silk accumulates.
Keep going.
Females and males usually behave in separate cells.
Wow.
But during here as 𝗲𝗵𝗴𝗴𝗺𝗺. Do you know what we look like?
Nope.
We're biggest
That's zebra as well.
some
Yeah.
and have horns that grow very straight.
Kick. Hey, sorry. The thing is difficult to break.
For the stuff to eat.
Oh, sorry, now punishment I dey punish this guy.
It's hard.
The biscuit is flat on the floor.
So it's hard
You
to
can't
eat.
pick it. We don't carry on.
So, Saturday stuff. If this one. If this one is cold.
Oh, what?
You've given it.
Yeah, let's go. Have you make your videos?
Yeah. Feeding to the guy.
Maybe it's for giraffe.
You still have how many bags left?
1.5.
The zebra is big.
Yeah, I'll go. Are you good?
Here, our little friends, the black bucks, are living as well. The male, just like its name, has black hair and has horns.
Over there. Oshibogwele.
Slow down.
See, this one's on. Looks like a ponytail or braid.
It doesn't even make sense. Why we
You
try
can take your phone. Nobody can use
Is from India.
every time that we touch the room caught on fire.
this
We
place.
could blame it on the wine, but we
Only
know
room.
that we will both be late.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
They can't eat this.
I was doing just
them.
fine the way that it was. Then you
She
gave
got
me
to
these
lick.
emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away,
They
but
stopped
I
their
never
shine.
won't. And I should let it be.
They're so in love,
I'm
babe.
gonna die.
Yeah, make do video now.
Maybe I tried, but what can I do? And it will be alright. So let me down.
Go and kiss your wife.
Hero ni. Sholeti hero.
I said the eyes look like lashes. I should go in on you.
Hey, be careful.
Please. Has everything finished?
No, go. There's still one full pack.
So what would we give it to?
Were you able
Hey, this one don't use mouth clean this thing.
pretty big, so it shouldn't be a
Why you they look us? Not be child you can't chop. Come they look me like say this thing.
I guess you can't have any food left in the bag.
All these people are selfish. So now one that the truth give us. Two food now.
Should I go?
This guy go beat me.
Should I go?
See donkey.
Oh, this is a donkey.
I'm making
Called keratin. So even if it breaks, it grows back, just like human hair and nails. These
Where's the rhinoceros now?
parts are valued by humans, so they are being
that's it.
used by them. Rhinos are facing
We're done now.
extinction. I hope you will not do
Let's
so.
go. We'll go and feed the things. But
Please appreciate
she don't they come again. They go just enter road. I know it's how they do. Go. See shit.
We'll go back to this one.
How was your
This should be like
What an adventure.
yeah,
How was the driving?
my side. It was nice now. It was not big deal. I wasn't competing with anybody.
Yeah,
But the
let's
lion part was scary though.
go, I guess. We still the
So that's the first part of the adventure of the journey, the animals looking at us. Now we're going closer to the rhinos and elephants. I know in the video, I'm sure you guys can see that the rhinos or the elephants closer. So, but this time around, we're going to have a closer look, see the elephants closer, and maybe feed the elephants. But I don't think we can feed the rhinos, but the elephants, I think it's possible.
It's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car, you saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention. Maybe we should have been friends. So you're someone I used to know.
Wow. Get the cat from me. Let me see your hand, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so we're going to eat. I'm hungry, you guys. We're waiting what beef. What do they call it in English? Beef bowl. Sherry? Beef bowl, okay. I am hungry. It was nice. So let's zoom off. That's how we just leave the house. So we didn't plan on going to this place. So we just left the house and boom, we're here. Okay, later.